SpongeBob. SpongeBob, where are you? I have a new cube today.
I know, I'm just running from the spotlight that's trying to get me.
Yes, SpongeBob. Make your patties, SpongeBob.
I can't.
Do it when you can. Anyway, new cube today. The FanXin 3x3x4. As you can see here. Wow, I'm gonna get my tentacles on into us all. I've never solved this one before. It'll be a completely new challenge. All I can do is Scoob certainly needs some lube. SpongeBob, it took me almost 30 minutes to solve this puzzle.
Oh my god.
I even had to bring out my own little 2x2x3. This puzzle here, I had to bring it out to help me solve this one. Obviously, I had a hard time, you could say. A bit of a screw. Anyways, fun puzzle. Good day.
Good.